Video preview for lot 390. The steel racks, all the scrap, all the tubing that's here is included in this lot. Everything you see, with the exception of a couple things I will point out. We will have a tractor on site to help load. However, you must bring labor to help. Everything you're looking at is included. Everything inside the yellow caution tape. You have a radio tower right here. This is not included. It is another lot. Everything over there, some scrap metal. A lot of scrap in this pile. Everything here for one money.